This is Paul Turner, the Immigration Barrister at Imperium Chambers. If you've got an immigration problem, please get in touch with me and I'll do my best to help. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button for up-to-date immigration news and some general advice. In today's video, I plan on discussing the sponsor licence, in particular the Tier 2 sponsor licence. What is it, why is it important, and how your business can obtain a sponsor licence which will allow foreign skilled candidates to join your workforce. This is important as the Home Office have relaxed it to include construction workers and healthcare workers in short demand. While I am no fan of Brexit, it has created a wonderful opportunity for people to recruit from around the world, and the first step to doing so is to getting a sponsor licence. While this may sound daunting or sounds like it's too much like hard work and you're too busy running your business, the process is really quite simple and we can help. We can help with not only getting a sponsor licence for you, but we can also help you maintain your sponsor licence and remain compliant with the Home Office. And indeed we've done this for quite a few clients. So if you're running a business and you want to know more, or you're just thinking about whether a sponsor licence is suitable for you, give us a call. We can meet, discuss, or have a chat over the phone about it. In the rest of this video, I'm going to be outlining just how simple the process is and how easy it can be. But I would advise you getting legal advice, if not from me, then somebody else who's reputable. Having, as you all know, a sponsor licence is a key requirement if you intend on sponsoring migrant workers or students to join your business in the United Kingdom. The Home Office will, of course, determine whether your organisation is eligible for a sponsor licence by assessing whether you meet key criteria. These specifically, you must be able to show that. Firstly, your organisation is genuine, operating lawfully and is based in the UK. In addition, you'll need to provide full details of your premises and where your sponsored workers will be working. You will need to have appointed key personnel who have specific roles for the duration of the licence. We can help in this regard. In particular, you will need to appoint the following: an authorising officer, who will be the most senior person in the organisation; a key contact, who will act as the point of contact between you and the Home Office and your business; a level 1 user. This will be someone that is responsible for carrying out the day-to-day activities on the Sponsorship Management System, SMS. Don't worry about the jargon, we can help with that. And a level 2 user, who will have less permissions than a level 1 user. These are quite simple terms. If you want to talk about it, we can explain further. You can effectively manage your sponsorship duties through the use of human resources systems and practices, including, and we can help with this, the training of key personnel to ensure that you fully comply with your sponsorship duties. We're more than happy to help you with all of this. Next, you'll need to make sure that the roles that you're recruiting for are genuine and meet the relevant skill and pay level for a specific visa route. Often people have come to me where they've got a licence and they simply just haven't bothered reading the guidance properly and they've lost the licence. So this is something you'll obviously want to avoid. To demonstrate this key information about your organisation, you will need to provide documents as set out in the Home Office's published guidance titled Sponsor Guidance Appendix A, which was published most recently on the 14th of April 2023. This guidance is divided up into 4 main tables. Each table lists the documents you must provide depending on your type of organisation. As I say, don't worry too much about it if you want to do it properly, because we can help. Table 1, documents specific to certain bodies and organisations. Table 2, documents specific to startups, franchises, charities, and organisations subject to regulation or inspection. Table 3, required documents for specific routes. And Table 4, other required documents. The best way to approach this guidance and identify which documents your organisation needs is to read all of the tables in full, starting with the first table, or alternatively do it in conjunction with your lawyer. It is important that you must provide a minimum of 4 documents, or where stated a combination of 4 documents, from the appendix alongside the submission sheet, which should be signed by the authorising officer. All of the above, which may sound quite daunting despite my initial introduction, we can help you with. We've been doing this for years. As I mentioned, it's only really after Brexit and the pandemic and businesses got going again It's become clear to me and to other people just how much of an opportunity getting a sponsorship license provides to your business. To enable you to sponsor skilled workers or Tier 2 ministers of religion, specifically, you'll also need to provide the following documents. An explanation for why you're applying for a sponsor license. Probably you can't find the staff. What sector you operate in. What your opening operating hours are. An up-to-date hierarchy chart or list of all employees depending on the size of your organisation, to give the Home Office an idea of who you are and to establish your genuineness. For the roles that you wish to fill, the people you wish to sponsor, and you will need to sign a certificate of sponsorship, which is really just a code number, you will need to give the Home Office certain information. And again, this is something we can assist with. The job title of the role, not really surprising there. The occupation code for the role, there's an occupation code list, and again, required duties and skills, and then required experience and qualification. It will be good practice to gather all of the documents, hopefully with your lawyer, before submitting your sponsor license application, as all of the documents must be provided within 5 working days of submission and include all mandatory documents. Failure to do so may lead to your application being invalidated and rejected. As I say, the Home Office are quite sticklers to the documentation. If you provide the right documentation and you do it properly, then the law says that you should get the licence. If you don't do it and you leave things a bit to chance, then there's every chance that the Home Office will refuse you. And challenging it can be difficult, and you may have to wait before you can apply again. So really, Brexit, the shortage of staff that there are in the United Kingdom, the number of people that talk to me about not being able to recruit staff, all points towards the benefits of at least investigating whether your business would benefit from a sponsor licence. They're not exceptionally expensive to get, they're not expensive to maintain, but they have to be done properly. If they're done properly, then they open up a world of opportunities for you to recruit, and they offer your business the opportunity for growth, especially in times where there is a clear labour shortage. As always, if you have any questions about what I've talked about, please do not hesitate to get in touch with me, and I would love to help you. Indeed, it would be my pleasure. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button. Hopefully some of the videos will be interest to you. Do stay safe. Thank you very much again. This is Paul Turner, the Immigration Barrister at Imperium Chambers.